In order to mark the 20,000 subscribers of this channel, I have a big surprise for you all. It's the authentic and genuine R46 Munipals F train. Now this one is made back in 2009. The others aren't really stated, but there you have it. I've got 4 carriages of it, so you will see a lot of them in the future. And of course, some of them are a little bit older, so as a result, I have to paint it up and make sure that some of the cracks and the rest are more covered, and also some of the windows are more restored in a more authentic manner. But apart from that, otherwise, most of the qualities are fairly okay, particularly over the ages. Just some gentle touch-ups on the paints and different color schemes will work right. This one, I don't know which year it is, as I said earlier, but the conditions are pretty good, fair. And so is this one. So I hope that this will make you all very, very happy indeed. And of course, this is the best way to mark the 20,000 subscribers special. Tomorrow Sunday at 10 AM is time for the Carroll Street real subway action on the FNG line, plus the special feature of the R68G trains. See you at the platform.